The IPS signature on hold feature was introduced to help avoid false positives when newly published IPS signatures are released. The feature can be configured in FortiManager and installed onto FortiGate. It can also be configured through FortiGate CLI, and signatures on hold can be viewed in both the FortiGate GUI and CLI. For this video, we are using version 7.6.6 on both FortiManager and FortiGate. On FortiManager, first navigate to Device Manager, Provisioning Templates. We can define a IPS template here. In System IPS, let's change this on hold time to 7 days, 12 hours. Then assign this template to the FortiGate. Then install this configuration to it. Okay, the new change has been installed to the FortiGate successfully. Let's move to the FortiGate here. And let's check the on-hold time. We can see the signature hold time is 7 days, 12 hours, as we configured. Let's check what kind of signatures were put on hold here. You can see we have a large group of IPS signatures on hold. Let's take one as an example. For this specific IPS signature, we can see it's grayed out, even though it is enabled here. We can see the last update for this signature is March 10th, 9 a.m. And when we move the mouse onto its name, we can see the on-hold time is valid until March 17th, 1 a.m. And that shows how on-hold time configuration works. Thank you for watching.